Kumchacha. Now we did Mr. Jimmy what Jimmy said Jahini. What's ya we yam to a boom? Say Leviticus chapter 3. What's yam penny with Jimmy ma? Jimmy na mabo bontoa. What's ya Jimmy said Tampiquase? With Jimmy sa. Ah, Baba defend. Baba defend. What's yam penny no na papa she cotton no so say bula sase. Ana wo Jimmy wo hon wano ente yese krotoa wate. Wano ente yese krotoa. Akwasi hangi suru na mada kwada Jimmy ne pebe bitina na mada kwada ye nkawase. Jimmy hwehwe ni mu. Wasa Jimmy am wasa ye hwehwe ni mu aka ho. Na ye papa ya tata des tight na. Ye mpese mu bobo ni dihwe ni Jimmy abo wano poye. So obi a nanim tantata. Kumchacha wo ho fe. Ositi we ni mata Kumchacha ho fe. Abo woni mu dua pase kraman hin. Ati woni mu dua pase kraman hin. Kwasi no Jimmy no wotro. Osofo di negosi sai. Abo
Abusia for me mamu nyina mo akwaba ediba Ghana nsem TV so. But more this be like video na be subscribe to the channel no turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature ba also nsa ebitima kabi na also watch the wadwen or comment section wasa. Say the munim ne femi Mr. President na me wasa me besom na if by chance de me ye ofe na person boan which are through number na wasi no adaroma nsabeka na news today so ya nyina akoso ni beso pounds so. Now, another day, I came across a video and I'm watching on social media, and it took me barely 4 hours to watch the video over and over again. Now, me share video no. I decided me for free. Me say politicians are disappointed Ghana mabunu. They be me say when you earn the goodwill of the people and you fail to acknowledge the fact that you've won the goodwill of the people, as a result of that, you have to be so much principled with it, they will rebel at the right time. In Kadia Nebaya, I will say, youth of it, like youth or mind bimu, I don't more rebel politicians, now of a sudden, their wishes and their demands or the thing that they dream that they come to reality are only things of disasters.
Mele awusi awe yesi wo eko kaseti ya Pentecost chairman kasa no ankoye baako ene ma ye papa chief of staff edi ni birthday ogina so epa chaw ewie ye na esu eba ye papa chief of staff me bom nsema wo ebom nsema wa ya de papa sani ye say opani entina fie ema sedua na bibi mfo ya hyebre bi atwam last year ene ade ya abrantie bia ye say friend aboronye a wo hye ne se ese jack etumi bedidi Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams atem ebedidi Reverend Dr. Isaac Owusu Bempatem ama Dina Samoa oya pipini etumi bedidi ya papa adum chebi atem na ya na nipa politicians ni mu nsua de wonu say yan asofo we de wo begina wo platform so a wo beka ena members ni egu nyina egina so koto aba ena wo gina so etikadia ya papa Judas Dabra ye eseseka MPP fo mpanifo ni bi eya ne de da ewade a abronye ebayi ye Archbishop ene Reverend Dr. Isaac Owusu Bempa na Dina Samoa ebedidi papa adum chedu atam da kesese MPP fo no eya ne de da me obetisi ya papa bawumia me pena samo papa edentina me pena sam obunipa obra ne ho ase ojo but nkrofo bi di nachi a owo ha papa no asofo yekuta pawo hey papa adum chedu a Ghana population owo members be 5 billion Pentecost ekuta members be 5 billion Reverend Dr. Aziko Usubempa Nechidi for a time bebrekwa untumin kind. It is a profile when you know Eka Swan to Aba and the against MPP.
Kumchacha. Now they didn't see Jimmy what Jimmy said Jahini. Kwasi ya uyem to a boom. Say Leviticus chapter 3. Kwasi yam penny with Jimmy ya ma. Jimmy na ma bobo bontoa. Kwasi ya Jimmy said tampi kwasi. Jimmy sa. Aba be dina oba be defend. Oba boy defend. Kwasi yam penny na papa shi kwatena no wanu nsuo se ebula sase. Ana wo Jimmy wo hon wanu ente yese krotoa wate. Wanu ente yese krotoa. Kwasi ya hangi suru na mada kwada Jimmy ne pebe bitena na mada kwada ye nkawasem. Jimmy hwehwe ni mu. Wase Jimmy am wasa ye hwehwe ni mu waka ho. Na ye papa ya tata des tight na. Ye mpese mu bobo ni de hwe ni Jimmy abo wa no poye. So obi a nanim tantata. Kumchacha wo ho fe. Wose ti we ni mata kumchacha wo ho fe. Abo wo ni mu dua pase kraman hin. Ati wo ni mu dua pase kraman hin. Kwasi no Jimmy no tro. Oso to di ne kosi sai. Abo wa isa kankwe no. What is the bottom ade?
From 10 billion to 13 billion. Meboa.
Okay.
Exchange rate you back to about 14.7.
Yeah.
And then 10 point something I think about 11. Meboa.
Okay.
Your food inflation nanya 21.0 and the food inflation yeah a 3.9 and the general inflation from 21.4 yeah the general inflation yeah 3.2.
Yeah.
What else again? The other time I catch you say President Mills buy in the first year. She scandals a hit President Mills. She say maybe and Johnson. Tema port scandal. Takrade port scandal. The first year. About 5 scandals hit President Mills. Or the first year.
Paul, who have stood for you.
You're trying to say Nana Akufo-Addo buy the first year 2017. Scandals upon scandals. 1 million Ghana cedis. You go say sanitation ministry on website.
If you don't stop this, whatever
premise
whatever you call
scandal,
you will have yourself to be.
Cash for seats scandal. Your father said 5 million contaminated oil fuel scandal. 2.5 billion bond scandal. I hit you Akufo-Addo the first time. Listen, President Mahama ba makasem wepen. President Mahama ba you know, the first year plus 4 months no scandal. Yet TBPSA Tiasma Bikadio. You have a gold. You have a juicy records. Why do you have to sport it? Why do you have to sport your white robe with the black spots? I don't get it. If they want to go to opposition, I will help them to go to opposition. Tie, kisi ajabe, wo bia ni se wanyade. Me te wa bi ni se kisi ajabe nyade. E de kre. Wanye transparent person a year and see a day office of the special prosecutor Homado. Because we bet now on you the 1 year cases about 100 and something or say it be a preliminary investigation. You answer about the talk OSP 4 table so I'm here say I find a way they qualify about 100 and something and 10 wasam cases be or start says who dear chenny and 10 wasam it will say he said and yet that's fine. Obia him say the NDC area
owie na Felix Kwachi ofosu be kan say LGBT no enye priority mayen e na won so de abeto so say me fine ahoden na wo de condemn ye time na President Akufo-Addo tie akonwa so no sa ahoden na nkasofo Penny Lauren Tete obi ebuwo na me hwe say ka de sa ahoden be kasa a che President Mahama say obua owura eye priority magana fo so Adia na ye 20 priority 2024. Then you bedu 2026 the any priority biom. Adia mo bisa e ho sa asem no.
Peace FM.
Anano enso toye ejiri ya papa nyame amemu anka ye nte asempa enti ye ntwen emensuo ne nto ne nyiri mfaye ye nim time enso ne beto ato aso ti asra aban omompe contractor no no meye adwuma no na mfiri ho ye adwuma agu sese wo twa market yi mu a enipa nim bebre empatane gugu ha saa sese enso obetoto yesra gata ne eyiri a ekum nipa ema ye boka esa ya nuama because of gata interman for jiji loans akase omo dwane because ye tata omo enti yesra tweni na behwe odona wo ba odona enwuma ahodo ena ewo odona yesra omo asa gata no omo asa dezenga bi etwa ho eno ti ama obi ye ehunu na waba beto ya de amayen sa wukokwohwe ye ho no musasia na yenwo ye ba eno ane sa ye batena te se ekunafo yesrew amampani yesrew woni wo ministers yesremo o my god no don na fo yesremo
wakotoshi wakpajo mama ke wo bi fe ni ka hwe na nu won pa me fai jo mama ke pia fe wakotoshi ye fa yo ji wo wan bi na me be cheme wodanche waba odo na 3 o'clock lonji wo nyombo jiwo ame awo mo nyomo pi wanye wa pay beni bank manager chaboshi police in chaboshi nula un chaboshi kanyombo ne be wo yefwe be no ba no fe no te won pa fai ni bi ajoleje ka wo ke ba help antone wodanche wo ka wo shika e block for 10,000 blocks. Why are you Ross? I'm a fair back a camera. I'm a George Lano poker hole. What walk I'm a fight?
There's a 3 million people and a Waha Mudiga. Sadia way, Abayo Pakai. Obin to mean Tramano Abatadia. Obinson to mean Chamunko.
One Shasa MPP are buying the sea into 1 year. What was say ya was your boy, Manyama, I was seeing now with your movie, Yansakan. Yes, Rano, more Ninani, and Snow Bronco, and a Snow Bronco.
MPP are buying Eddie Garlic if walk raw, ever saw a yimu, some of Gamba Biagata, Ebia Mama, said a bay so to any fire. No, I feel mother and sincere Muria, Moody Chase, the boy Adama Kumaku, a storyboard and Makumaku Tata 2, so and I'm never better Hesia. Modia Bejubai, Obianco, Obiama, Acroforia, no matter what to order him, no more. Ah, now Kobi Bayasa, Anka Mahama, one Anka Udo say. One Anka Udo say. Zinato away.
Civil society organizations say you muti as CSOs. Wama company na so ewo natina ye Jubilee House ene na kobon komo. Na ensoma wo mo bon komo no de bura ka tia nwuhi. Ba kwa company kan ya eden komo twetwe aba. Eye LGBTQ+ and the keke kan ho no. Na company tire mu se LGBTQ+ no. Ehia de Ayasemi now so Omani pa nia.
But this is an AG who will come and bastardize people, pronounce people guilty because they know that the
civil society organizations say you muti as CSOs. Wama company na so ewo natina ye Jubilee House ene na kobon komo.
Say MPP ti ye suni ye ben yi a ye de ne nam ho adwuma ase ye adwuma ase ye nye me pacho mi bisa o ye nya power ye beba 2028 ohun abato na ye koto no enough from any ye kofa 2028 abato no e kashi akọ and that from any ye kofa it is a yan ye suban any ye lackadaisical attitude ya ye display here. Me pacho mi bi so ya ready for power because ya NDC sika wo mu pompe gu wo mu campaign mu 2024 ni ene a wo maji go ye friends go concession yenu First all team said 2028 election usikabe womu papa. Then people for mu will be. The youth of this country no yenjen watch na biem. Ye frey na pa ho adaben de ye die wu ene ye giedra eno ne ye pe. Enti obi anyone wa ba ba dwene future. Obi timi ekogina adokno ne nkyinam so to waba. Ade
But said, "O nyame kwan na ode ato ho no." So wo ye sofo na wo be ka no kura kire Ghana fo. Na nyame kwan dodo no eda ho asofo esese muhu no kura wei na mo kan. Na wo de ba be ye, wo de be wada because wa ka se president ma ye wadamfo. Wo ye would be a wo ne no country musam ni